there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project features the Artfully Composed suite of products, which is in the brand new January to June mini catalogue from Stampin' Up. It's the catalogue, and the products are on pages 32, 33 and 34, and they are beautiful, beautiful tropical themed dies and stamps. And the paper just here, the paper is absolutely beautiful, with the Calypso coral colours and Just Jade, Mint Macaron, Pear Pizzazz. It has these adorable sea glass shapes, these ones right here, and it has a lovely ribbon, but the hero for me is the stamps and the dies. I love these beautiful big images. They're really, really pretty. So the card is a very, very simple one. It's just half a piece of cardstock cut down vertically, and a little bit of stamping. And what I'm really playing on here is this beautiful paper, this designer series paper, these gorgeous, gentle, soft colours. Let me show you how I made it. Very, very easy. So as I said, it's a piece of thick basic white, and I've just cut it, half a piece cut in half. A piece of the designer series paper, that's this other side as well. Both sides, all of this paper, it's just beautiful. It's 12 by 12, going to be great for anyone who does memory keeping and scrapbooking. So I've cut this piece exactly the same size. I've gone ahead and used my one of my stitched So Sweetly dies and cut out a piece of the soft seafoam die for that one. And all we're going to do now is stamp the sentiment, sending all the hugs. I love that sentiment, sending all the hugs, happiest birthday, thank you, and hey there. It just has all the main sentiments for card making. So if you just wanted to get one stamp set and one bundle this year, this is a fabulous one. Covers all your sentiments. So I'm just going to stamp that sending all the hugs in Pear Pizzazz, because that's some of the colour that's in here. Just bring in my scrap of my basic white and the stamp. And I'm going to cut it out on using this die. So let's go ahead and stamp that. And then I'm just going to grab my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and die cut that one out. Okay, so that's stamped and die cut. The other piece, the soft seafoam piece, I cut that in half. I didn't do a particularly good job of cutting it exactly in half. But what I'm going to do is layer it at the back here, just to give that little bit of colour. So bring in your adhesives. I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive here and a little bit there. And I stamped that in Pear Pizzazz too, by the way. Just layer that on there, just to give a pop of colour, really. Oops. One. You could cut two and layer them across the back. It's easy to cut one. And I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the back of that one now. Because this card is almost done. Almost, but not quite, because I have this fabulous ribbon. This is the cotton ribbon combo pack. It's not in the Artfully Composed suite. It's in one of the other suite of products in the new catalogue. It has Misty Moonlight and Petal Pink. And it's I love the, I always really like the narrow cotton ribbon. I find it to be so useful. So just going to wrap that around there to make a bow, just through the middle. This ribbon is just so soft. This actual suite comes with a white ribbon, a frayed white ribbon. I did try to use it on this project, but it just didn't work so well. And I just felt that the petal pink was just a little bit of different colour to put in here. Okay, let's take the dimensional backings off these dimensionals, and we're about done with this card. So beautiful designer series paper, a simple little stamp, tiny little bit of die cutting, and hey presto, it's all but done. Right, oops, let's just get that straight, shall we? Yeah. Now I have used the brushed metallic adhesive dots. These were in the mini catalogue, the mini catalogue. I still have some left, and I just didn't want to not finish using them because I really like them. And they might actually have carried over. I'm not sure. At the time of making this video, I have not double checked. But look, if you've got some lovely dots, metallic dots, or any kind of something pretty to add on there, then you put whatever you've got. Let's chop that off. It's a bit long. Use your stash. That's what I say. And let's put some Tombow on the back, and we'll be done. If you don't have a little bit of bling to put on there, it doesn't matter, because this paper is so pretty. It doesn't really need it, right? And there we have it. Don't you love that sentiment, sending all the hugs? I do. Really like that sentiment. And there we have it, a very easy card to make using the Artfully Composed suite of products. Simple card, paper, stamps, and one shade of ink. If you have any questions about the products I've used today, please don't hesitate to contact me. I have put a link to the products I've used in the description bar below. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.